unable to search in TikTok on your iPhone? This can happen due to app glitches, network issues, or restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok search not working on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back home and force close the TikTok app from the Recent tab. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up the settings. Then, tap on the General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap the General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Then, enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope you can now search for anything on your TikTok app from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.